Hello and welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I am your host, Alex. Today, we're looking at a new post from Google Research detailing updates to their Gemini 2.5 family of models. This article announces that Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash are now stable and generally available, and it introduces a brand new model, Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite. The core idea is that these are thinking models. This means they can perform internal reasoning steps before responding, which improves accuracy. Developers can even control a thinking budget to manage how much the model thinks, balancing speed and intelligence. We'll dig into the new benchmarks and pricing updates right after this. Alright, so let's get right into those benchmarks. This first table gives us a great side-by-side look at the new Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite model, comparing it to the older Gemini 2.0 Flash. And importantly, it shows us two versions of Flash-Lite, one with its thinking capability turned off and one with it turned on. The key takeaway here is seeing that thinking budget in action. Across almost every category, from mathematics to agentic coding, turning on thinking provides a clear boost. For instance, on the AME 2025 math benchmark, the score jumps from about 50% to over 63%, a huge improvement just by letting the model reason first. Building on those performance numbers, this table then details the pricing for the Flash family of models. Everything is priced per million tokens. Now, tokens are the small units of data, like parts of a word or a pixel that the model processes. The key point here is that the new Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite maintains the same low input price for text and video as the older model, and is even cheaper for audio. Its output cost is also identical. This really highlights it as a cost-effective upgrade, especially when compared to the more powerful and pricier standard Gemini 2.5 Flash model. Okay, so shifting gears from the Flash models, the post also talks about the continued growth of Gemini 2.5 Pro. It shows this visual, a collection of logos from top developer tools that are already using the Pro model. We see some big names here like GitHub and Replit, alongside others like Cursor and Cognition. The main point here is to illustrate the rapid adoption of this top-tier model. It seems to be the go-to choice for developers building tools that require the highest levels of intelligence, especially for complex coding and agentic tasks. So to wrap things up, this is a really comprehensive update to the Gemini 2.5 family. The big takeaway is the introduction of Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite, a new, highly cost-effective model that still gets a major performance boost from that controllable thinking budget. It really solidifies a clear tiered offering for developers, from the lightning-fast Flash-Lite for high-volume tasks to the powerful and widely adopted Pro model for maximum intelligence. It's all about providing flexible options to balance performance and cost. That's all for this week's AI Research Roundup. Thanks for tuning in.